At last, the constitutional building process has been relaunched by Cabinet. This seeks to repeal the 1997 Constitution of the Republic of the Gambia, which had been amended over 50 times by the Jammeh-led regime. The Gambia is watching. They have cried and waited for too long for a new and a better constitution, one that will solidify our democracy and improve our governance system in this country. This cannot happen without your sound and serious participation. My name is Modou Lamin Jallow. I crave your indulgence for the next few minutes as I share my thoughts on the new constitutional building process. Honorable members, under your tenure as parliamentarians, you face so many criticisms, and this is normal, understandable, and expected in every democracy. You were characterized and labeled in so many ways for increasing your salaries and allowances, most notably for the allocated expensive vehicles which are certainly funded by taxpayers' money. This had aroused so many emotions across the country, probably mainly due to the hardship being faced by the Gambia. Most Gambians could not believe or even justify your reasons for increasing your salaries, especially when you, our Honorable National Assembly lawmakers, could have called out loudly for the reduction in the high cost of living, the high cost of renting a place to stay, and the lack of medicine and medical equipment in our government hospitals, and champion the fight against rampant corruption. We Gambians had expected you to have given more energy and effort towards these primary survival areas. Therefore, you have got another opportunity to redeem yourself, to at least win the hearts and minds of some who criticize you with the way you approach and vote on this new constitutional bill. Honorable members, please note, being a parliamentarian is not being a village or compound head. As a parliamentarian, your main role is to make laws. And of course, this function is very crucial. As any law you make, we, in one way or the other, touch on the life of every citizen or non-citizen of this country. This is why this new draft constitution must be given a serious treatment by all of you. Honorable members, I want to believe you will want to have a time in your future where Gambians will remember you for the good constitution you have delivered. Do not just give us a constitution, give us a good one that will stand the test of time. This is only possible if all of you are ready to put aside partisanship and emotions and see our beloved country, the Gambia, first. Your legislative powers are exercised by the bills you pass at the National Assembly. This is, of course, guaranteed to you by the 1997 Constitution. So I therefore implore you to critically look into this bill. You are constitutionally empowered to debate, negotiate, and compromise where necessary. You are empowered to remove or add anything in the Constitution if necessary. And please, before referendum, Gambians want to see a very, very, very well dealt with Constitution. The ball is in your court now. Destiny beckons, and posterity will judge. This is a sacred opportunity for you people, a national duty, one in which you can all establish a collective and personal legacy. The people, the democratic world, is watching and listening as to how you approach and deal with this new draft constitution. Of course, the task is waiting, we understand. But this is why everyone expects you to do the right, honest, and proper thing for God, country, and posterity. I pray and wish you well. Thank you for your acceptance.